Please note that this video is purely for entertainment purposes. We utilize advanced editing techniques and high-quality CGI to recreate scenes.
Hey man, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Treezyy, and this video it's gonna be more of like raw footage, more of just the car just driving, you feel me? Probably a POV drive basically. ISR, I ain't gonna lie, the ISR sounds nasty, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, the ISR sounds nasty, bro. Let me go ahead and get away from this side of town because it do be hot over here sometimes. I don't want to, you know what I'm saying? It is a Sunday night. I want to keep it, you know what I'm saying, simple. I am not saying I do anything. I just work here. I ain't gonna lie, this John really pat. What was that? Bro, what was that? I don't know what diesel truck that was, but that John sounded nice. I'm trying to find like a good road to really just dog this bitch. Probably gonna turn right here. Let's go ahead and turn right here. All right, bro. Y'all can go a little faster than that, gang. What are y'all doing? Bro, the speed limit is 45. What the f are they doing, bro? What, bro? What is these niggas doing, bro? The speed limit is 45. Y'all ass tweaking. They ass tweaking, fool. It's a Sunday night. They drunk as hell. I'm already knowing. And we is on like the west side. I probably could down the road. Are we gonna do a second gear pull? Yo, this bitch going. Yeah, this bitch going, bro. This bitch is going, gang. I don't want to do too much, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm lying. I'm lying, so.
Lock him up! Fucking prison!
Build up. I don't even know where we at, gang. I honestly don't know what type of back road this is, but I kind of like it. I'm off the grid. I guess so. And I'm still in fuel map too, now that I think about it. Oh! Once I get to a stop, I'm gonna change maps, cause definitely need to change maps so I can feel the difference. I ain't even gonna lie. Downshifts are nasty. Damn, y'all hear that? I know y'all heard them brakes, bro. Hey, them ceramics, they'll be all right, bro. I don't even know where I should go from here. I literally cannot see anything. Where am I? Where the hell? Zoom out. Where the Yep, we're gonna turn right. Oh, this right. This is the. Yep, I remember now. Granny just chilling. I'm trying to find somebody on the back road to really dog it with. I need to call Mike or something. Where everybody at? I need to text the group chat in a minute. All right, let me go ahead and get up to speed. I'm gonna find a little back road or something to really play with it on. Pause. Hey, yep. Actually, let me change the maps real quick. Let me do that real quick. I can low-key smell it right now. Like, ain't nobody coming. I don't even know what pool that was. I think that was like a 30 to 80. I wasn't even paying attention. And I do have my all-wheel drive fuse pulled out. I might put a 10 amp fuse back in this video and make this video a, you feel me? Nope. I don't know, we'll see. That downshift was nasty, I ain't gonna lie. One more. I ain't even gonna do one. If you don't know, if you have a VQ, please do not downshift to 1. Bad for your tranny. Do not shift to 1. I mean, you can sometime, but don't do it a lot, you know what I'm saying? Oh, what that is, GT? I don't know what that is. That was a Mach 1 or some shit. Mach 1 Mustang. I don't know my Mustangs like that. I don't really like Ford, to be honest. Only type of Ford I'd fuck with is the F-150 10-speed. That's the only one. That's it. That is only it, that 10-speed truck, because I want a badass truck. That ain't gonna lie, that's a badass truck. No cap, that is a badass truck. That bitch got a little squirmy. Squirmy wormy. Get it?
Shut the fuck up.
Scatty Pat. Oh, that's an RT. Oh, that's my boy the whole time now I think about it. That's my boy. Okay. Open that up a little bit. Man, of course it's a dang train. Through the viaduct we go. No turn on red, my ass. I'm still turning, boy.
Do some stupid shit like this. Where's your dad? Where's your mom?
The hell? What the fuck is up with their car? What the fuck is up with that Beetle? Hey, but right now we pulling up to Sonic because I gotta pick up an order. So let's go ahead and go to Sonic, but it is right up the road. So quick pull. Quick turn. On phone now. On phone now. On phone now. All right, let me go ahead and check in. Let me go ahead and check in real quick. All right, let's go ahead and get up out of here. Let's not hit the curb this time. He better get his dumb ass out the road. I'm gonna run his goof ass over. What he on? Better move faster, folks. They gonna slow as hell. I know my gas mileage is cooked.
You're goddamn right, brother.
Fried. Almost didn't stop. What the fuck am I doing? Fuck is this nigga blaring, bro? Hell no. Them niggas ain't got no headlights on, bro. What are they doing? me get one last pull in. That bitch sliding, gang. Ain't catching no traction.
Better hide your scat pack, cause we'll take it. Slide the tires off that bitch, hit the curb, I'ma break it. Hey, JV sliding in the shaker, trying to shake it. Yeah, you talking all that money, boy, you better go and make it. We be tripping in them tracks, let a fast thing. GT 500, boy, we riding in a fast thing. Don't got a striker, but a sale, that's a fast thing. Took his shit, left him broke, he say I got a bad name.
Alright, man, this is gonna be the end of the video.
Cap.
Y'all boys see the VQ, man. I like the side view of this motherfucker with the single leg shift.
Nice.
It looks nasty, bruh. Should I shoot a flame to end the video off? Should I end the video off with the flame?
Yeah.
Since you want me to do it, bro. Damn, I'm always asking for something, bro. Hold on. He said spin it. I spun it for him. I'm gone.